Productivity at work, 6 tips that increase your efficiency. Time is incredibly important, and unfortunately, it is impossible to magically add more minutes to the day. If you find yourself getting distracted throughout the workday, you're likely to waste those precious minutes. On the other hand, when you become more productive, not only will you shine at work, but you'll also have more time for the things you enjoy doing. So, what can you do to be more productive? Keep these tips in mind to get more done at work. Plan your workday. Before you get started working, or even the night before, set your priorities so that you'll know what the most important tasks are. Make a to-do list with the most important tasks at the top. Follow your plan. Tackle the tasks on your to-do list in order. Complete the most important tasks early in the day. When you know that you've done the most important ones, the rest of the day is easier. When other items come up that demand your immediate attention, as they inevitably will, handle them quickly and get right back to your to-do list. When other tasks come up unexpectedly, determine their priority. If they have a lower priority than your current task, try to delay doing them until you finish the higher priority task. Reduce distractions. If you have a private office, close the door. If you work in an open room, consider investing in some noise-canceling headphones. Playing some light music can help you to tune out the distractions. In order to limit interruptions from your co-workers, let others know how long you'll be unavailable. Keep only what you need for your current task on your desk. Too much clutter is distracting. Designate a place to keep all your supplies and return them to their proper place when you're done using them. This will also keep you from wasting time to look for needed items. Avoid multitasking. You may think that you can juggle multiple jobs at the same time, but the truth is that those tasks that you're juggling won't be completed with the quality that you strive for. This may result in errors that you then have to spend time rectifying. Research shows that it invariably works out better when you focus on one task at a time. Finish one task and then go on to the next. Learn to delegate. Choose tasks from your to-do list that others can complete or help you with, and delegate these tasks to them. This will free up some of your time for high-priority tasks that you must complete yourself. Trying to do too much results in an overall drop in the quality of your work, which ultimately negatively affects productivity. Take breaks. When you work for an extended period of time without taking a break, your productivity levels and efficiency drop. Try to take a break for about 5 minutes each hour. In your break, give your mind a rest from your work. Put it out of your mind for just a few minutes. Stand up and walk around. Take some deep breaths. Do a few stretches and jumping jacks to get your blood moving again. Go for a walk. Even if it's just 5 to 10 minutes out of the office, you'll return feeling refreshed and ready for the next task. Keep these tips in mind to become more efficient with your time at work. You'll get more done at work, which will make your boss happy and give you more spare time to enjoy doing the things that you love. Thanks for watching our video. Please leave a comment, hit the like button, and share our video. Be safe, and stay healthy.